Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how you will use Android on your Windows, Linux or iOS. So we need to install VirtualBox to use it. We have I have already showed you how to install VirtualBox in my previous video, and that link is it. For more info, or if you don't know how to install VirtualBox in PC, then you can see that video. Now we will use VirtualBox to install Android. Okay, open the VirtualBox first. Create a new operating system, name Android. Use Linux and other Linux 32 bits. Click next. Input your desired RAM on 204 megabytes. Click next. Create a virtual drive now and create virtual disk image. Create dynamic allocated create and 816 GB. Okay, great. We have created the operating system and it will be ready to install Android. Now go to setting, system, processor, enable PAENX. Click OK. Now start it. But now we have need the ISO file. So what should we do now? We have already downloaded ISO file. You can download it from this link, sourceforge.net. Here the latest release is 4.4, means KitKat, and the oldest release is 1.6. I'm selecting release 4.4. Android 866. Okay, I'm downloading it. The download is start shortly in 5 seconds. 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, I have already downloaded it. No need of downloading again. Go to click across. Now select it. Android ISO. Click start. We can run it live, but we will install it. Create and modify partitions. Click new, primary, size in MB. Click mutable. Now quit. Click on write. Are you sure? Put yes. Press enter. It is writing partition table to disk. Wait a while. Okay, it is done. Now quit it. It is created ASDA1 Linux. Enter to OK. Now we should format it as NTFS and hit enter. Yes, okay, it is formatting. Do you want to bootloader grab? We can skip it now. Okay, yes, we want to install the system directory as read or write. Okay, it is writing. Nearly 750 megabyte. It will take us a while. Okay, are you sure to create the image? Yes, of course. Maximum memory 2047. Okay, but 512 maybe is the minimum. Okay, hit enter. It's writing. Done. Now run Android reboot. Okay, we're running it. Yes, it works. Now if we want to use, we have to mouse. So you have to go to machine and disable mouse integration. It will show a mouse and hit right ctrl. Hit okay, it is done. I have found another mouse. Now it will work. Okay, go to next. If you want to keep this mouse outside of it, again hit right ctrl. Okay, machine, disable mouse integration. Okay, now it will work only the outside of it. Okay, now again disable mouse integration, click okay. Okay, no need of now. Click skip anyway. Do you have a Google account? No need of now. Click skip. Go to next. Next. Okay, welcome. Create more screens for app and folders. Okay, click it. Okay, now touch and hold here, means that you will click and hold here. Okay, done. Now it will show the main window or home screen. Done. I have successfully installed it. Go to click here and it will show the hints. click OK. Okay, it is the menu. Okay, okay, now go to settings. Go to about tablet. Yes, I have downloaded Android version 4.4.4. Means that I have downloaded KitKat on our PC, so it is very easy for you also. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome.